this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an all-in-one face cream. A face cream you can just use after cleansing your face and go in with your sunscreen and you are good to go. You don't need to go apply your toner, your serum, your eye cream, your hyperpigmentation cream, your retinol. You do not need all that. Just one face cream that will brighten up your skin, smoothen your skin, glow your skin, give your skin that hydration that it needs, and all other goodies. Even your acne and your dark spots, this face cream can help you a lot with that, and also help soothing your hyperpigmentation. And for those of you that are also on a budget, you will find this video very helpful, so you will not be spending extra money on other skincare products. And all the face cream in this video are going to be so affordable, depending on your pocket. So let's get right into it. So the first face cream on my list is this Aqua Rich face cream, and it comes in these two variants. This one here contains alpha arbutin and niacinamide, and this one is the vitamin C variant. This one here will brighten up your skin. I don't just mean that mild brightening that, nobody is really seeing it. This one will give you a visible, brighter looking skin. While this one, on the other hand, will brighten up your skin in that manner that, when your skin is not looking dull, the way it looks shiny and brighter. That is what this other one will give to you, this vitamin C variant. And this other one that contains alpha arbutin also helps with anti-aging. If you suffer from a lot of wrinkles and fine lines, or the texture of your face is not smooth, it doesn't look youthful and plump, then this particular variant is what you're going to use for your face. Now, for this particular one, the vitamin C, if you want to maintain your skin, you don't want anything that will change your complexion. You already love the way your complexion is, and of course you don't want anything that will make it darker. Just a face cream to maintain that complexion. This vitamin C variant is the one you're going to use. Now, for stubborn dark spots on your face, dark spots that pimples have left behind, you are going to use this alpha arbutin and niacinamide variant. This one will gradually fade your dark spots. As I always say, dark spot is not something that will leave your face within 1 week or 2 days of using it. You have to take time, at least finish the full cup, to see visible difference on your dark spot. But be rest assured, with good use of this face cream, your dark spots are going to start fading off. Now, for that skin glow, when you apply a face cream on your skin is shiny. You don't even need to apply anything else like a toner or a serum to make your face shine. This vitamin C variant is there for you. This is the one you're going to use to have that massive glow, massive brightness, and again, massive hydration, because when you apply this face cream on your skin, you can already feel how hydrated, an instant hydration on your face. That's what you're going to be getting from this vitamin C variant. And this vitamin C variant also helps to boost your skin glow. If you're someone that uses a lot of products that are quite mattifying on your skin, maybe because you have an oily skin, you don't want so much things that makes your skin shine more, you can use this face cream to boost your glow, since you already use a lot of mattifying products. This is that face cream, the one with vitamin C. That's the one you're going to use to boost your glow. And this is not just an artificial glow like I apply it on my face to shine. When I wash my face is not glowing anymore. This one boost your natural glow on your face. So for this other one, which is the niacinamide and alpha arbutin, this one will really brighten up your skin a good way. So for those of you that don't, you just want something to brighten up your skin, you use this particular one. Quite affordable, and also will give you a better result. Now, the second face cream on our list today is the Advanced Korean Skin Face Cream. And this one also comes in two variants. It has the Active Fair and the Brighter Face Cream. These two also works in a different way like the one I talked about before. This Active Fair comes in this gel-like consistency, and it is very good for people with dry face. If you know the skin on your face always feel dry, no matter how much hydrating product you use on your face still feels so dry. That is the main problem of your face. This one here, the Active Fair, is the best choice for you. For those with a dry skin, a dry face, you use a lot of hydrating products, yet they are not even hydrating enough. Just with this face cream and your sunscreen, your face is going to glow effortlessly. And it is also good for an oily skin. So this is what you can use. And during that November, December time in Nigeria here, let me say during Harmattan season, where the air is dry, you want to use this face cream up to that time. So I highly recommend you can start using this face cream now, because we are in July. before that November, December time, your skin is already so used to this face cream and you are getting the maximum result that anyone can get from using this advanced Korean active fair cream. Now for this brighter face cream variant, this one is creamy and it is very good for a combination to normal skin. Those on dry skin can still use this and not have issue with it, and oily skin can still use this and not have issue with it, but the best one for the skin type is what I just mentioned. Dry oily skin this way, combination to normal skin this way. And this one here also brightens the skin a little. It is a mild brightening. Yes, you are going to see visible brightness on your skin, but it's going to be very, very mild. And this one here, I'll say is more like a moisturizer. It will not change your complexion. It will not give you that brightness that will be obvious. It's just going to simply moisturize and hydrate your skin. And this one contains good amount of vitamin C in it, while this one has a very good amount of niacinamide in it, and it is also very hydrating. It is not that brightening face cream that does not hydrate the face. The moment you apply any of this face cream on your skin, you can feel the hydration, the calmness. You know, there's a product you just apply on your face just feels so calm. So these face creams will do that on your skin. The consistency, the texture, they are well formulated, and when you apply it on your face, it's going to help you with wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. So for those of you that don't have too many things you are treating on your face, I highly recommend you lay your hand on any of this face cream to get the best result. Just with your sunscreen and your face is glowy and looking shiny. Now the third one on my list is this glutathione vitamin C face cream. I know this face cream is like an OG. A lot of people have used this in the past and they can testify to this face cream as long as you do not abuse it, because this one here can lighten up your skin up to like a shade or two, because it is a super brightening face cream. It super brightens your skin up to the extent that you start seeing lightening in your skin, because over time of using this product, your skin gets used to it and you start seeing the maximum result from it. This one will fade your dark spots. Now for those of you that have those stubborn dark spots that acne have left on your face, or you just have this hyperpigmentation on your skin, some part of your face just feels so dark, you can actually use this face cream to brighten those places up, because some stubborn hyperpigmentation, no matter the brightening product you use, they will not listen. So this is the face cream you will use to get it in order. So the face cream is going to be clearing all discoloration from your skin and giving you that flawless looking skin. So if you just want that good face cream that will be working as a treatment on your face while still hydrating and moisturizing your face, this one is for you. So when you are getting this one, you get a very good hydrating sunscreen with it. It also helps a lot in smoothing the face. Those of you that have a rough textured skin, like super rough textured skin, your face does not feel smooth, you can use this face cream to get that smoother looking skin. So this one is just going to basically make your face look younger, brighter. If your face has been looking very dark, if your face is darker than your body, you can actually use this face cream to brighten up your face or to a shade lighter to see that radiance and glow. So the next face cream on my list is this Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one face cream. I know this one is not also like a new 2026 face cream. It has been on board. Everyone that have used it can testify to how good this face cream is when it comes to having an all-in-one face cream. A face cream that can hydrate your skin, because one thing you need to have that glowy radiant skin is hydration, and this face cream will give you that hydration in 100% minus nothing, just giving you that super moisturized skin, a skin that looks like a baby textured skin, because when your face is well hydrated, it looks plumper. Your fine lines and wrinkles, they are not there. Your discoloration seems to feel like they've been subdued when your face is really looking hydrated. So this face cream can do all that on your skin. And again, for those of you that are using lightening face creams to actually help with dullness on your face, now it's time for you to stop that. Dullness on the skin has nothing to do with lightening face cream. All you need is this all-in-one face cream, this Advanced Nail face cream. This is just the face cream you need if you have a dull skin. When you use it, bye-bye to your dull skin. Your skin revives itself. It looks alive. It looks healthier. If you can just splurge a little money on this face cream, you are going to enjoy its benefits 100%. Now, again, for those of you that have a damaged skin barrier, your skin is so sensitive, irritated, you're having a lot of inflammation on your face that are making it darker, you can use this face cream to repair your skin barrier and also repair your skin texture. For those of you that your skin texture does not look very smooth, or it looks so rough in a way that you do not like it anymore. This face cream can help to repair your skin texture and also help to repair your skin barrier. So now if you are using a lot of whitening products or a lot of lightening products that are not safe or good for your skin, and now your face is not looking nice anymore, and you need a very good face cream that when you're using it, you're not going to regret your face, because sometimes when those lightening product destroys your face will go very, very dark. So if you don't use the right product, your face is just going to look damaged. So this face cream is what you will use. This advanced nail, this is what you will use to repair your skin texture, brighten up your skin, like revive any dullness out of your skin and get an excellent result. So this face cream is like the #1 when it comes to reviving anything dullness on your skin. And with this face cream and a sunscreen, honestly, you don't need a toner, a serum, you don't need anything else on your face, and you are good to go. Now the next face cream on my list is this Dr. Ulti 345. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Dr. Ulti 345 relief cream. This one here is very nice for people that don't have an even skin tone on the face. If you have a lot of discoloration, a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of dark spots on your face, sunburn on your face, I highly recommend you use this particular cream. It is very effective. It's like a 2026 good face cream right now. It gives a nicer texture and it just evens out every discoloration on your skin. I always say discoloration, dark spots, it takes time, but just with few weeks of using this face cream, like let me say 2-3 weeks, you start to notice a better result from using it. It's just going to clear your unevenness just with this and a face cream. Don't forget, we are doing an all-in-one face cream. You are not splurging money on different plenty skincare products to get one thing. Just this face cream alone with your sunscreen will give you that same one thing, and you have wasted your money on different products. Now, one big active thing this face cream do on the skin, for those of you that are noticing redness on your face, maybe because of a lightening product you are using, or because you're always in the sun, or just because of any other thing like an inflammation on your face, you can use this cream to soothe that redness on your face. Those of you that are always prone to redness on your face, this face cream with your sunscreen, the redness on your face, bye-bye to it. Is going to treat it 100%. Now, just in case you are thinking, because this is like in a tube form, it might be drying on the skin, I tell you, this is also very moisturizing. When you apply it to your face, it doesn't feel dry, your face doesn't feel tight. It still gives you that hydration and moisture that you need on your skin. And one most important thing, this face cream is also very nourishing. For those of you that want to see your face looking the best and the best of itself, this is that face cream for you. It nourishes your skin, makes your face to look 10 times healthier, 10 times younger. I would even recommend this cream for those people in their 50s, in their 60s, in their 70s, who want just a good face cream to apply on the face. Go in with a sunscreen without too many wahala skincare products, and you are good to go. This is that face cream for you. The Dr. Ulti, very nice, gives you the excellent nourishing skin that you want on your face. And don't forget, anytime I'm talking about each of this face cream, I always mention sunscreen, because when you go in with this face cream without a sunscreen, you are not doing your skin good. You're not going to, in fact, you will go darker. So make sure you pair up any of this face cream with a sunscreen. If you cannot spend money on a toner and a serum, at least you should be able to spend money on a sunscreen, because that's like the most important thing that protects your skin from aging, from discoloration or hyperpigmentation and sunburn and a lot of other things. So just make sure you always have sunscreen with any of this face cream, and you are going to start to enjoy a stress-free skincare routine where you just wash your face, apply a face cream and a sunscreen, and your skin is still looking as beautiful as someone who is applying 10 things or even 5 things on their face. So loves, that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.